Good day, fellow scientists. It's your favorite sensei here again, Sensei Mohao, and Happy New Year! Yeah, this is our first lesson on revision. We will be doing part series of lessons of series and patterns in the coming weeks. So make sure to subscribe and press that notification bell if you're new to our family, so that whenever we post new lessons, you'll be updated. And welcome to this fresh start, fresh new year. I hope you all are doing good and have bigger goals or dreams that you are hoping forward to achieve. And you all know, in your academic goals, I, as your sensei and my favorite and beautiful Violet Bright Academy team, we are here to help you achieve all your goals. So without wasting any further time, let's just kick in and start the lesson. So this is a revision of the quadratic sequences from grade 11. We'll just be doing basic revision, introduction of it in grade 12 work. So let's start. So as you all know, quadratic sequence is in this format. Tn stands for the number of terms, the general formula is equals to an squared plus bn plus c. So it is in this format. So now you still remember the 2a equals to something. So that is very crucial, because of, in most cases, similar to grade 11, they will not be giving you notes, or in the formula sheet they won't be writing it down for you. 2a is equals to the first term of the second difference. They will not be doing that. So make sure to keep this in mind and make sure you memorize it at all costs. So 2a is equals to the first term of the second difference, 3a plus b equals to the first term of the first difference, a plus b plus c equals to the first term of the original sequence. So remember now, for some of y'all probably grade 11s who will be just viewing this video, watching this lesson, remember that even here, remember, since it's a quadratic sequence, let me just shift into this. So remember, because of it is a quadratic sequence, we need to make sure and remember that every single thing will have, because of these numbers will not correspond. So for example, if you take the first difference, it will be 4, 7, 14, 25, 40. So first difference angle, we'll be using the T2 minus T1 here, and here, and here, and here. So 7 minus 4 is equals to 3, 14 minus 7 is equals to 7, and 25 minus 14 is equals to 11. So and this is equals to 50. So now you can see that here there was no proper difference between them. Like for example, the difference is only 3. It was not in that case. So make sure, if probably you given such kind of a sequence and you're not sure if it's a what kind of a sequence it is, either a geometric or an arithmetic sequence, make sure always quadratic sequences, they have two differences at all costs. So you can see now here that in the second difference, the difference here will only be 4. like 7 minus 3 is 4, 11 minus 7 is 4, 15 minus 11 is 4. So you can see now everything makes sense here now. Because of why? We know that it is the difference is 3. Then that 3 we add it by 4, it gives us a 7. Then the difference here will be 7, and so forth and so forth and so forth. So this is the first difference, and this is the second difference. You'll understand. So now, remember now, let me try to shrink this thing so that I can get enough space. Proceed. So it's 2a is equals to the first term of the second difference, so it's equals to 4. So we now know that divide by 2, our a is equals to 2. So we did the first one. 3a plus b equals to first term of the first difference is 3. So we do substitution here. So it's 2 into 3 plus b is equals to 3. So what would be the answer here? Very good. We take this one to the other side. It will be 3 minus 6, and the answer will be good, negative 3. So now here for the last and final one, a plus b plus c equals to first term of the original sequence, which is 4. So yes, we'll be doing substitution. So it's 2 minus 3 plus c equals to 4. So what will be the answer here? Very good. Here it will be negative 1 plus c is equals to 4, and then c will give us 5. So now we have done each and every one of them. So it's 2, it's negative 3, it's 5. So we have done each and every one of them. So now we need to substitute this and this and this into our equation. So let's proceed. So it was Tn equals to an squared plus bn plus c. So remember it was 2n, and here it was negative 3. Because of its plus and negative, you just put a negative sign. Plus 5. So now we can try to test whether our equation is right or wrong. So we can just do substitution here, substitution here, substitution here. I'm gonna be giving you just 3 minutes to do the first term. It's 2 into 1 squared minus 3, 1 plus 5, and the second one 3 minutes. Then after we do the answers and proceed to into 3 squared minus 3 plus 5. So let's proceed. What was the answer here? Very good. Answer is 4. Because of it's 2 minus 3 plus 5, it will give us 4. So here it's 2 squared, which is 4, multiplied by 2, which is 8. Minus 6 plus 5 will give us 7. And here it will give us 9 times 2, which is 18, minus 9, and then plus 5 give us 40. So we now know that our equation is right. So you can just test it with only 3 just to find out if it's correct, and then from there on we proceed to the next question. So now suppose we are given a question whereby we should try to look for the nth term of a number that is in the sequence. Let's say, for example, they give us 410. Let's say they give us, for example, sorry about that, 410. So now find the nth term of a number in the sequence that is 410. So which means we know that in the sequence is 410. We don't know which number it is, which term it is. Is it the first or the 30th term or the 100th term or the 20th term? So we're gonna be solving for that. So So you know that you still remember the equation was 2n squared minus 3n plus 5. So it's 410 equals to 2n squared minus 3n plus 5. So take this one to the other side, it will change the sign. Minus 3n plus 5 minus 410 equals to 0. So 2n squared minus 3n. So here we'll just get another bigger number is negative. So from here we can start solving. Because of it's a quadratic sequence, we might as well use the quadratic formula, because of it will be very hard, not even hard per se, it won't be that easy, and you need to make sure you use your time cautiously. Make sure you don't waste time in such questions whereby you'll be trying to open two brackets, finding the factors and stuff like that. Yeah, you can just basically just use the quadratic equation. So still remember the quadratic equation, it's minus b plus root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. So you can just punch everything here in the calculator and then we'll get the answer. So it will be minus into minus 3. Remember the signs here. Minus into minus 3. Let me just rub it out here, erase it because it's messy. Minus into minus 3 plus or minus 3 squared minus 4, 2 and minus 405. So I don't have enough space here. I'm just trying to show you how you should do it in the calculator. Make sure you don't forget the signs, because of if you do one mistake of the signs, then everything will just be wrong. So it's minus 3. So what's the answer? Minus 3 plus b squared minus 4ac over 2 plus or minus b squared minus 4ac over 2 into 2. This is how you should do it in the calculator. Try to do the first one or using a plus sign here, and then after use a negative sign thereafter, and let's punch in the calculator. Answer is 15. Using a plus sign, it's 15, and using the negative sign, let's see, is negative 27 over 2. So this one is invalid. So we know that this one is invalid, so not applicable. We will be marking this one. So this is correct. So remember the steps and don't make any mistake. Please make sure you recheck your things here. Hence why I rewrote it again, making sure it's visible and it's clear, it's legible, so that you can see. You must make sure we don't leave out any signs behind, because if you do that, then everything will just be wrong. So let's try to test if it's correct using the 15th step. So just go here in the equation and just do substitute with 15. So it's 2 of 15 squared minus 3 of 15 plus 5. Then our answer will just be 2 of 15 squared, just be 450, and minus 45 plus 5. Minus 45 plus 5. Yeah, it's correct. 410. Good. So this is how we do this thing. So hope you all have enjoyed the lesson. So from me, of the lesson say, I think I'll just cut it short and leave it here. If you have not yet subscribed to our channel, please do the right thing, man. Do the right thing. Do the right thing. And please do the rest thing. Subscribe. Share the video to as many friends as you can, your classmates. Yeah, just share the video and subscribe. Press that notification bell so that you will be updated every time we post a new lesson. So we will be posting new lessons of this part series of sequences and series, and we will also, my amazing team will be focusing on other subjects, doing lessons of other subjects such as geography, such as business studies, you know, those hard topics that you find challenging. So they will be helping you. So make sure you press that notification bell so that whenever a new lesson is being posted, you'll be updated. And enjoy the rest of your day. From me, your favorite sensei, peace out. I love you all and enjoy the rest of your day. Bye bye.